Hello, friends. This is Dipti Jethi, and here I am with a poem for you. And the context is a little bit of drizzling in the early part of September here in my hometown, Badamba. The name of the poem is Darling Drizzle. The sweetest drops of honey falling leisurely from the heaven became enough to drive me crazy, to steal my mind from mundane. The lonely pigeon, having a lazy fly, supremely introvert, has been the sky. Reverberations of nature's chirping. Somewhere I lost my heart inclining. Dearest tiny hills sought meditation. The serene streets inquisitive eyes. A flock of miners scattered echoes. The rainbow tinted butterflies' joys. Slowly, unknowingly melts my heart to discover my soul in the supreme art, the omnipresence, subtle presence in these early September greenish essence. Thank you all.